Hello everyone, welcome back to ECUteam channel. Today we have this Dodge Van Sprinter 2500 and we have a very interesting situation with the ignition switch. Ignition switch doesn't want to work. So what we will do is we will sit down in the car. Sit down in the car and we will take it out. So what's happening is we put the key inside the ignition switch and it doesn't want to turn the key at all. So we grab our special tool, we put it inside just like that. There we go, we took out the ignition switch and now we're about to check it out and see what's causing the problem. So this is ignition switch from the Dodge Sprinter, and right now we will test the steering column lock as well as the emulator. And also a quick notice, I want to let you know that we provide these ignition switches as it is a very common failure on Dodge Sprinter vans. In the most inconvenient moment, you will have this situation where you get inside your van, you'll try and start it, and the van will not start. Well, this is because of this ignition switch. It tends to fail a lot, and in case if you're looking to get a used one, make sure that you'll get in touch with us as we are able to provide you with a module that is unlocked. Okay, now it's time to test it on the car. Yeah. So let's do it.
you're seeing right now is the ignition switch that we put on the car with the steering column lock and the emulator. As you can see, the emulator is programmed as well as the original steering column lock, and we were able to program also the ignition switch, as the ignition switch was bad, so we also tested it out on the car, and as you can see, everything is working exactly how it's supposed to, which is a good thing. So in case if your Dodge Sprinter is failing, make sure that you'll get in touch with us, as we are able to help you out.
Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because this helps us a lot by making sure that you guys are watching these types of videos, that you're interested in them, and it also pushes us to create more content like this for you guys. So thank you very much for staying active. Thank you very much for all your likes and subscribe. And leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.